Are you tired of spilled drinks and messy cup holders in your car? Today we're breaking down a simple yet effective car accessory designed to solve that problem. The Singero silicone car cup holder coasters. These universal non-slip inserts claim to protect your vehicle's interior and keep drinks stable, but are they worth adding to your daily driving setup? The Singero car cup holder coasters come as a set of 4 silicone inserts designed to fit into most standard cup holders in cars, SUVs and trucks. Made from high-quality, non-toxic silicone, these coasters aim to make your cup holders easier to clean, more spill-resistant, and aesthetically pleasing. If you're a commuter, a parent on the go, or someone who regularly uses drink holders on the road, traditional plastic or bare cup holders can get sticky, grimy, and difficult to clean. Silicone inserts like these help contain spills, crumbs, and moisture before they reach the bottom of the cup holder, which can save you from unpleasant odours and stains over time. Let's break down the main features of the Singero coasters. Universal fit. Designed with a diameter of approximately 3.15 inches and a height that matches most automotive cup holders, they can fit into SUVs, sedans, and other vehicle interiors. Non-slip silicone material. The soft yet resilient silicone grips the interior surface of your cup holders, helping prevent tumbling drinks even on bumpy roads. Raised edge protection. These inserts feature raised edges that help contain spills, crumbs, and condensation, keeping your original cup holder clean. Easy to clean. Because they're made from silicone, you can easily lift them out to rinse or wipe clean, without wrestling with hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. Spill prevention isn't just about cleanliness, it's about safety too. Loose drinks sliding around can distract you while driving, and sticky residue can attract bugs or leave lasting stains. With these silicone coasters, that risk is reduced, which means a more comfortable and less stressful drive. These are especially helpful for road trips, daily commutes with coffee in hand, or when you frequently carpool. The eco-friendly silicone is safe, odourless, and resistant to heat, meaning you can comfortably place hot coffee or cold beverages without worrying about warping or odour retention. The soft yet durable material also helps prevent damage to your cup holders over time. These cup holder coasters are ideal for drivers who want a cleaner interior with minimal effort. They're great for families with kids, frequent travellers, ride-share drivers, or anyone who drinks on the go. They're also a low-cost upgrade for anyone who values convenience and interior care. In summary, the Singero silicone car cup holder coasters offer a simple solution to a common automotive annoyance. They're inexpensive, easy to install, and easy to clean, making them a practical add-on for everyday driving. If you want to protect and upgrade your vehicle's interior without paying much, these coasters are worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest price, colours and options. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more practical car gear reviews.